Before we start the video, please follow our channel by clicking on the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon for daily videos to help you with health, wellness and exercise. In today's video, we will provide you with 5 simple ways and tips to manage your diet for diabetes. In a world where tasty fatty, unhealthy foods and processed fast food are now the norm, these are our top 5 ways to manage diabetes that every diabetic should follow. Number 1. Cut back on snacks and then change the type of snacks you eat. This is certainly the biggest downfall to most diabetics. When you have little or no routine meant that filling your stomach means popping by the kitchen for a snack, no matter how healthy it felt, becomes a regular occurrence. This is one of the hardest things to do for some people, but establishing a great routine is essential to great diabetes care. The types of snacks to be eating are unsalted nuts, dried unsweetened fruit, fresh vegetables. I love fresh red pepper and cucumber, dark chocolate, richer and nicer, and you only want less than 2 squares usually. Number 2. Cut back on processed white flour and embrace wholemeal carbs. This is the most essential part of your diet and the thing that can show the biggest increase in loss of weight. Some diets in fact just focus on this point and are very successful. Wholemeal, especially stone-ground wholemeal, is so good for you and has so much more flavor in it that switching is much easier than you think. Most people are really surprised at the ranges you can get in your supermarket. Again, remember that the bread that is best for you is the one that is freshest with least preservatives or added ingredients. Also, brown or basmati rice is great with a lovely nutty texture. Wholemeal pasta is great, and for your potatoes, we recommend the smaller new potatoes that you can get in your local shop. Number 3. Stop drinking cocktails, start drinking wine. Cocktails are full of sugar, colorants and preservatives. As much as socializing is important to us, drinking cocktails should not be the drink of choice. It is more recommended that red wine be the replacement drink, as it provides multiple health benefits when taken in moderation. If you are out at a restaurant, red wine is much better than anything else you can order, except water of course, and it has been proven that the antioxidants in red wine are great for keeping a healthy heart. The recommended amount is 1 glass a day with your evening meal. Number 4. Start cooking more fruit and vegetables. Fresh fruit and vegetables are a great way to get all the vitamins and minerals you need. And there are so many different ways in which to cook vegetables, but you'll find that raw is the best, followed closely by steamed. Both of these ways preserve all their natural goodness as well. Number 5. Drink more water. You may have heard people say this many times before, but the benefits of drinking more water are endless. A few tips on how to get more water into your day are: first, to put bottles of water at all the places you go in the house or work. So keep one in your desk, on your desk, a glass in the kitchen, the bedroom, the sitting room, etc. Try and drink all these glasses up and you will be well on your way to 8 glasses a day. The trick is to add a glass every few days or so. If you try to drink all that water in one go, you won't be so inclined to drink 8 glasses again. Have a go, it's amazing how great you will feel. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please share this video to your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below on what other content you would like to see, and ensure that you turn on the notification icon for videos tips on how you can become a better you today.